Welcome to Shine Seating, and this is the modified version of JCET version, and here there is only one option, that is the seating arrangement. I am going to show you how to use this, and this is the template which is used for the colleges affiliated to University of Delhi. First thing is the admin should enter the hall details and branches. Here the hall numbers, next how many rows there are and how many columns, and total how many students. And here we can divide the students into two groups, so there you have to enter the group 1 and group 2. So most probably this is locked, you cannot enter here, so I will show you how to enter in the hall design page. Move to the home page, and the next thing is also you have to enter the branches. Here you can enter the branches, and here there is the option for 25 branches, and here the paper name and the codes. So paper name and the code should be entered here. Next, the name list of the students. Here the register number, what is their course and what is their paper, and when you enter the paper name code, the paper name will be updated automatically. You have to do for all the branches. For example, I have entered here BA and their paper code is this P001, and here for register number 31 I have entered BCom is their course and their paper code is P002. The third option is hall design. You can design your halls. If you don't want to allow students in the second column, you can just delete it, so the students will never be seated in hall 1 in the second column. Based on that, the things get reflected. So when you delete this column, you have to go to the home page, and in the hall design you have to enter number of columns is 4 because we have deleted one column. So this you have to be very careful while doing so. Now I am allocating that hall. If you don't want any rows, you can also delete. If you don't want the last row or the columns, if you don't want these rows, then you can do that. So when you are deleting only particular cells, then you need not to enter the update the column value in the hall design page. Now let's go to the seating arrangement directly. Before that, college name, enter the details here, college name to which it is affiliated to, exam detail and their time, and next enter the date, month, year and the time. So the time is entered here. You can enter whatsoever the time is, and then in this column you have to enter what are the subjects which have exam, the branch, their paper code, and it will be automatically updated the paper name. So you need to enter the course name and the paper code. So I have entered 3 courses and 3 code and 3 names. Let's see how they are seated. The next option is to select the halls. You have to select the halls from the list. Already we have given the hall numbers. From the list I am going to select the halls by marking it as yes or no. If you don't want any hall, you can leave it empty or leave it yes. If I don't want this hall, yes, it is updated that 109 is not there. If I want it, then I can add that yes. So the 109 comes in the top. So you can change the order by going to the hall design page. So in the hall design page you can change the count, you can change the order, you can do whatever you like. See here it shows 48 because we have deleted 2 cells in the hall design page. See, we have deleted 2 cells, therefore it is totally 48 is displayed in that place. After entering all such details, after selecting the halls, press generate. That's all. It's a matter of only 3 minutes work. Your seating plan is generated, and the first hall is allocated to the BA course, the second BCom, and third to the BCom honors. I've allocated the students in 3 halls, though it is automatically allocated. All the students are seated in the 3 halls, 3 departments. After this, you can just print this. So it's a matter of only the 3 minutes work. Press Command P or Control P, and the first 3 pages I am showing it in the preview how it shows. Yes, that's it. The first 2 halls in the first page, and this is the second hall. If you enter more number of students and more number of branches, then you can take the printout of all those students. If you want to change this design, we can do that. You can contact us to the number provided in the description. Thank you for selecting Shine 6L seating template as your exam cell partner. We have fully automated and semi-automated sheets for schools, colleges and universities. Also, we have uploaded the videos for all the versions of the template which are in use. So while contacting us, don't forget to mention the version name, and that will help us to trace what your requirement is. If your requirement is not found in any of our demo videos, then you can apply through the link which is given below. Also, we have designed a special template for conducting the exams in the Polytechnic colleges in Tamil Nadu. The version name is TN Poly.